if diagonal matrix 1 minus 2 5. So sometimes the diagonal matrix is given in this way. Suppose sorry, A is equal to, if A is equal to diagonal matrix 1 minus 2 5, just note it, and B is equal to diagonal matrix 3 0 minus 4, 3 0 minus 4, 3 0 minus 4. Okay, and you have to find the value of, yes, write it, find the value of 3a minus 2b. 3a minus 2b, that value is required. You have to find the value of 3a minus 2b. 3a minus 2b. Okay, so how do you find its value? So first of all, if you here you see that what do you mean by the diagonal element, diagonal matrix? So the diagonal matrix means what? Only all that elements are of diagonals. Okay, and that means the diagonal elements, non-diagonal elements are zero. A square matrix whose non-diagonal elements are zero is known as diagonal matrix. Okay, so if you want to, that means find the value of all that, so what you how you solve all that type of elements? Okay, so either you that means find the value of 3a minus 2b, so you can write it directly also. So just wait. So here you have to find the value of 3a minus 2b. Okay, and that is equal to 3 times of, yes, write this diagonal matrix in its that means standard form. Okay, as you already know. So here you have 1 minus 2 5, so you can write 1 and 0 0 0 minus 2 0, and this element can be written 0 0 5, 0 0 5. You can write in this way, and minus times of 2b, so write minus 2 into, yes, b matrix. Okay, and here it is given 3 0 minus 4, so you can write 3 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 minus 4, 0 0 minus 4. You can write in this way. Understand? And simplifying it, and check what is your result. And finally, you can again express that diagonal matrix in this form. Okay, yes, write it. And if it be completed, yes, prompt what is your answer, prompt it.
Sir,
Yes,
the minus 300,
yes,
then 0 minus 60,
and 0 0 23.
23. Yes.
Okay, so you express that diagonal matrix in this form, original form, which is given in your question. You have to express it in its in the form which be given in your question. So you can write it as its value is diagonal minus 3 minus 6 23. Yes, correct. Yes, write it. Do it. Now next question. If A is equal to, yes, second, if A matrix is equal to 0 2 3 5, sorry, 3 minus 5. And B matrix is equal to 0 minus 8, 4A and 5B. 4A, 5B. Sorry, just wait. Here A is equal to 0, 2, 3 minus 5. And here you have not B, but here you have to write KA, K times of A. Understand? Yes. K times of A is equal to 0, minus 8, 4A and 5B. Yes. Find the value of K, A and B. Here you have to find the value of K, A and B. Yes. Trying to solve it. What is the value of K, A and minus B? KA is equal, the value of A matrix is given and the value of KA matrix is given. You have to find the value of KA and minus B. So how you, that means find it one. So yes, putting the value of A matrix in, yes, left side of this one. Okay, so write it. So you can write K times of value of A matrix, which is given 0, 2, 3, minus 5, and is equal to, you can write 0, minus 8, 4A and 5B. 4A and 5B. Yes, multiplying each term by K in this matrix, because that way in a form of scalar multiplication. So you multiplying it, compare the elements, and then yes, trying to find the value of K, A and B.
No.
And just verify your answer. I am written here what is the value of K, A and B. Check it by own. K is equal to minus 4. Are you getting? A is equal to minus 3 and B is equal to 4.
Yes, sir.
B is equal to 4. Yes,
Yes, sir.
verifying your answer. Yes, simplifying quickly and verifying it by the answer which we shown here. Okay, next. So in this way, the questions are asked in 1 marks in board examination also. So yes, another question which we also asked in 2014. Yes, write it. If 2 times of matrix 3, 5, 4x plus, here you write 1, 0, y, 1 and is equal to 7, 10, 0, 5. 0, 5. Okay. So the matrices are related to in this way. You have to find the value of x minus y. Yes, trying to find. Find the value of x minus y. So what you do? You have to find the value of x and y individually and then putting that value in x minus y, and that gives your final answer.
So x is equal to 2 or y is equal to minus 8.
Yes, correct. And putting that in x minus y. So you have x minus y is equal to 10. X minus y is equal to 10. Okay. So here I think you that will solve this type of question, that means very comfortably. Now here just I given you a question which be based on, that means elimination method, which can be that is solved by elimination method. Okay. Yes, note it. Note the question. Next. Solve the following matrix. Solve the following matrix equation for x and y. Solve the following matrix equations for x and y. And the equation is given as, yes, 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y is equal to matrix 2, 4, 3, 0. 2x, here x and y are matrix, okay? So 2x plus 3y is equal to 2, 4, 3, 0. And second equation is 3x plus 2y is equal to matrix -2, 1, 2, -5. Okay. So here you have two equations which be given, and you have to find the value of x and y, matrix x and matrix y. So how you solve it? Yes, only you have to solve that by using elimination method. Understand? Okay. So just check it. Suppose here you have first equation, and that be taken as second equation. Now, if you want to eliminate y, so what you have to do? You have to multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. Okay. So yes, do it. So here you multiplying equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 3. Just write it here. Multiplying equation 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. And check it what you have. So here you can write 4x plus 6y is equal to, yes, multiplying, if you multiplying that given matrix with a quantity 2, so no doubt you have to multiplying each of the term by 2 here. So you can write 4, yes, 4 2 ja 8 and 6, and here you have 0. Okay. In the same way, multiplying second equation by 3, so you have 9x plus 6y is equal to, here you multiplying each of the term of matrix by 3, so you have -6, 3, 6 and -15. Yes, and then subtract it. Yes, subtract it. Yes, change the sign. So if you change it sign, so 6y, that in terms of y will be cancel. Here you have -5x and is equal to, yes, simplifying it. So here you have to subtract this matrix to this one. Okay. So how you subtract? 4 minus -6. So here you have 10. Yes, 6 minus 6, 0. And 8 minus 3, here you have 5. And here you can write 15. Here you have 15. So what about x? So x matrix equal to 1 upon 5 times of this matrix. So that we also in a form of scalar multiplication. So what you do, you have to multiplying each of the term of the matrix by -1 upon 5. And check it, what is your result? Yes, solve it. So here you can write, so x matrix is equal to, yes, dividing each of the element by -5. So here you have -2. Here you have -1, 0, and -3. Okay, so the x matrix is -2, 0, -1, -3. No, you have to find the value of y. So what you do? Putting that value of x in equation 1 and trying to find the value of y. Yes, check it. Putting the value of x in 1. Oh, So 1 implies 2 times of what is that? -2, -1, 0, and -3. Plus 3y is equal to 2340. Yes, solve it. So you have 3y is equal to 2430. Yes, minus multiplying each of the term here. So -4, -2, 0, -6, and simplifying that. So what you write? 3 minus -4. So here you have 6. That be 6. Here you have 3 and 6. So the value of Y matrix is
2, 2, 1, 2.
2, 2, 1,
1,
2, 2, 2, 1. So that type of question they ask for 2 marks. Okay. So here you have to find the values of X and Y. Yes, so that be very easy. Okay. Now, yes, next question. So in the same way, you have different types of question, but what you do if the questions are given in such a way, only you have to eliminate one of the that means matrix and solve for other. Okay. So I think such type of questions you can solve very easily. Assignment is given to you. Yes. And here I given a modified assignment uh, based on matrices and determinant both. So you open it and check the similar types of questions are given there. You trying to solve it. Okay. And yes, and that is solutions which you study in classroom here, and that is very helpful to you. And yes, with the help of that you can solve the assignment also. Okay. So trying to solve it. Okay, so the next, here we have to solve the questions based on the multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. Okay, so just write it. You have to practice upon the multiplication of matrices. That means for a lot of question. No? You have to solve so much question. Practice well on matrices of two multiplication on two matrices. Okay, so note it. Next question: if a is equal to if a is equal to 2104 minus 3 5, 2104 minus 3 5, and B matrix is equal to 3 minus 1 4 102 102, and C matrix is equal to 4 2 1 4 2 1 7 1 minus 1 7 1 minus 1. Okay, so here three matrices A, B, and C are given, and the question is you have to verify that. Yes, note it. Verify that A into B plus C, A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. Here you have to verify that A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. AB plus AC. So what you do here? Yes. First of all, you have to take left side, which is A into B plus C, and simplifying it. Okay. So write it. First you take left side and write A into B plus C. Now putting the value of A matrix 2, 1, 0, 4, minus 3, 5. And yes, the matrix B plus C. You can write it here directly also, because here matrix B and matrix C is already given. These two matrices are already given here. So how you find the value of B matrix plus C matrix? Yes, this matrix is to be obtained by adding the corresponding elements of the matrices. Okay, so yes, find the value of B plus C. So you can write here 7. Here you have 1. Okay, here you can say, yes, add it. And in the same way, if you add this one, so you have 8, 1, and 1. Okay, so the two matrices you have in this way. And you have to take the product of these two matrices. So first of all, you have to check that is the product in between two matrices possible. So what is the condition for that? Yes, if the number of column of first matrix, yes, so this is the first matrix, and here you have second matrix. Okay, if the number of columns of first matrix is equal to number of rows of second, then the product in between two matrices is possible. Okay, so just check it. If you want to find the order of this first matrix, so what is its order? So you can say its order is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Okay, so first you count its horizontal line. That is, how many horizontal lines are there? 2. So you can write here 2 into, yes, count vertical line. So that gives the number of columns. So you write here 3. So the order of this matrix is 2 by 3. Now check it here. Order of this matrix, first, second, third. So you have 3 and vertical line 2. So the order of this matrix is 3 by 2. Okay, so order is 2 by 3, and here you have 3 by 2. So the number of column of first is equal to number of rows of second. So you can say that the product in between these two is possible. Okay, and the product matrix which is obtained here is of order what? 2 by 2.
2 by 2.
Yes, 2 by 2. So just check it and yeah, applying it. So how you that means take the product in between these two matrices? Yes. First of all, you have to go through first row. So you have to take the multiplication. Yes, always you have to concentrate your eyesight with the help of forefinger. Understand? So first row, first column, and you have to take the product of sum of the product of their corresponding elements. Where? First row, first column, and write there sum of product in their specific position. Okay, so just check it. So first row, first column. So the first element 2 into 7, that is 14. Then you write plus second element to second element, so you have 0. Now third element to third element, so you have minus 15. Minus 15. In the same way, yes, first row to second column. So the place of first row, second column is here. So you have to write their specific position only. So the first row, second column, so you can write 2 into 8, 16. 0 into 1, plus here you have 0. And minus 3 into 1, you have minus 3. So in this way, you have to take the element of first row with the each column of the second matrix. Now come to second row. So the second row, first column. So the position of second row, first column is here. So you have to write the sum of the product in this particular place. So just check it. So 1 into 7, right here 7. 4 into 1, 4. Yes, plus 4. And 5 into 5, you have 25. In the same way, second row, second column. Yes, and you have to applying the same method. First element to first element product plus second element to second element of column product plus third element of row to third element of the column. So just check it. So 1 into 8. So here you have 8 plus 4 into 1, 4, and 5 into 1, you have 5. Yes, and simplifying it. So if you're simplifying, you have the value of right side, and just check it, what is its value. So here you have -1, and here 29 and
30.
29,
36.
36, and here you have 13 and 12 or 5, 17.
17.
So in this way, you have the value of left hand side. Okay. Now taking right side and check it. Okay, the product of AB plus AC and the sum of these two are equal to left side or not. Check it. So in this way, here you have left hand side. Left hand side. Now that means take its right side. AB plus AC. Yes, RHS. AB plus AC. Yes, write the value of matrices 2, 1, 0, 4, -3, 5, and B matrix 3, -1, 4, 1, 0, 2, plus A matrix 2, 1, 0, 4, -3, 5, and C matrix 4, 2, 1, 7, 1, -1. 7, 1, -1. You have to write in this way. Yes, and taking its product. Start. First row, first column. First row, first column. So 2, 3 are 6. 0 into, here you have 0, -12. Now first row, second column. So you have 2 into 1, 2. 0 into 0, 0. Okay. So 0, and here you have -6. Now come to second row. So 1 into 3, -4, and 5 into 4, here you have 20. Now second row, second column. So 1 plus 0 plus 10. In the same way, you take the product of these two matrix. So first row, first column. So 2, 4 ja 8 plus 0 or plus -3. Now first row, second column. So you have 14 plus 0 plus 3. Now second row, first column. So you have 4 plus 8 plus 5. Second row, second column, so you have 7 plus 4 minus 5. Yes, and simplifying it. Simplifying, so you have minus 6, and here you have 19, and minus 4, 11, plus 5, और कितना ये हो रहा है
17.
17, 14 plus 3, 17, and 11 minus 5, 6. Yes. Now adding these two, so you have minus 1, and add this, here 16,
36.
36, and here you have minus 21 and 17.
So 13.
Which one? 13?
So minus 4 and plus 17.
Oh, sorry. So here you have 13, and this one is 17. So in this way, you can check that your left side and right sides are equal. So the result is verified. Okay. So you have to practice on the multiplication of matrices. Okay. And such type of question is also asked in 2015 exam. Okay. Only you have to, that means 3 matrices are given, and you have to verify the result. Actually, that question is that means it has so many parts, and the 3 matrices like that it be given, and the question is calculate AC, BC, and A plus B into C, just like your left side, and then you have to verifying it, A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. So the similar types of questions are also there, so you can solve it very easily. Now next question. Yes, that we also asked in 2003. So you also trying to solve it. Yes, note it. Find the values of A and B for which, find the values of A and B for which, yes, note it, and trying to solve as homework. A minus A, B 2B into 2 minus 1 is equal to 5, 4. Yes, note it. Note that question as homework. Find the values of A and B for which the product of these two matrices is equal to 5, 4. Okay. And the values are A is equal to 1 and B is equal to minus 3. Yes, note its answer also. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 3. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 3. Okay.
Sir, please repeat the element of the matrix. The video is not clear due to network problem.
Okay, okay. So note it. You note it column wise, okay? Note the elements in column wise. A minus A, B 2B. Second column is B 2B. And that means other matrix, their product is 2 minus 1, other matrix in column wise 2 minus 1, and is equal to yes, matrix written in the column 5, 4. Column matrix.
Okay, sir.
5, 4. And here you have to find the value of A and B. A and B. So trying it. Now the next question which we asked in 2010. Yes, solve that. Yes, right. If matrix 1 3 2 4 1 3 2 4 into 3 2 1 5 3 2 1 5 is equal to 7k 1123. 1123, find the value of k. A similar type of question. Find the value of k. So here only you have to find the value of k by taking the product of these two matrices and compare the given matrices. Check it. What is its value? Yes, trying to solve. The value of k is 17. The value of k is 17. Note it.
Yes, sir, 17.
Yes. The value of k is 17. Okay, beta, thank you. The time is about to close. And okay, so tomorrow we have to discuss the questions on similar type, that means on matrices, product of matrices, and also we have to solve the that means questions which be based on power of matrix. Okay.